Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on Google Pixel 8 Pro into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. And now you can click on the three dots icon here and go to settings. Now click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back. And as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.